Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can apply a wing liner on hooded eyes. But before that, please subscribe to my channel to see more such makeup tutorials and product reviews. Many of us girls have hooded eyes or droopy eyes, whatever you call it, and we struggle to apply a wing liner because after every application it comes out really weird and we are like, can we not ever flaunt a wing liner? First thing first, let me tell you what is hooded eyes. Those eyes where crease is not really visible because of that extra layer of skin that covers the most part of your lid. This makes your crease area appear really small. Take any eyeliner of your choice and from the outer corner of your eyes, take it upwards towards the end of your brows like this. Bring it downwards towards the lash line, making sure that we're not dragging it towards the middle of our lash line, just very near to the outer corner. Now after filling up the wing, draw a thin line on your upper lash line, joining it towards the wing. Fill all the gaps nicely and voila, you're done. Next, I'm gonna tell you what you should not do while applying a wing liner. I'm following the same method, draw a line upwards and then take it downwards towards my lash line. The only difference is that I extended it almost towards the inner corner, if you know what I mean. Automatically created a thick line, and after I fill up all the gaps and neaten up the liner, you can see that it made my eyes look way small. The liner covered most of my lid space. If you want to apply a kajal with a wing liner, apply it on the outer corner of your lower lash line and smudging it towards the inner corner, making sure that you don't apply a thick layer from one corner to the another. This will make your eyes look big and elongated from outer corner. You can clearly see the difference where on the other side I applied a thick layer of kajal from one end to another. This made my eye look really packed and small. Here you can compare that one eye is looking really soft, bigger, and the wing liner is coming out really nicely, while on the other side the eye look is really very bold, fierce, and this thick liner is not at all complementing my hooded eyes. Here I'm just lining my upper lash line with a kajal so that there is no gap visible in between my eyelashes. If you want, you can absolutely skip this step. Next, to complete my eye look, I'm applying mascara. I will list down all the products that I have used in the description box below. You can just use any product of your choice. And with this, I have completed the wing liner look. Guys, my eyes are not extremely hooded. There are people who have even more droopy eyes. With this technique, you can very much flaunt your wing liner without breaking it. So these were few do's and don'ts that you should follow, after which you can apply a wing liner very easily. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please do not forget to like, share and comment, and do let me know your thoughts on this. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. I shall see you in my next video. Bye.